To create a new room resource, users must be assigned the TMP Resource Manager's security role or be assigned to the FTC approval group at the local facility. First, select the area navigation and click Resources. Then select TMP Sites. Use the View selector to navigate to the My Facility TMP Sites system view. This view shows all of the TMP sites that are associated to the user's record. Select the site where the TMP Room Resource is to be created by clicking on the name hyperlink. On the site record, click the Related tab to display the drop-down of related records. Click TMP Resources to view all the related TMP resources to the site. Verify that the room does not already exist before creating a new room by scrolling the list of rooms already available. Click New TMP Resource to create a new resource. On the New TMP Resource page, first select Room under the Type field. This will open the Room Information tab. Select the Room Information tab to update the location information of the room resource. A red asterisk indicates a mandatory field. These fields must be completed before the record can be saved. Type in the room number in the room number field and the specific building name or number where the building and room are located. Complete the designation field as telehealth only if the room is used exclusively for telehealth visits, and select Shared if the room is shared between a face-to-face appointment and a telehealth appointment. Set the capacity of the room to match the maximum number of patients that would be seen at a given time in that room. Type in the campus in which the room is associated with, if there are multiple campuses at a TMP site. Typing in the clinical service under the service field will help identify that room for a clinical service if necessary. Finally, ensure that the phone number with the extension is listed under the phone field. This will allow the users ready access to the phone number of that room if needed. When saved, the naming convention of the room will be made up of the building, followed by the room and the site. Once all of the fields are completed, click Save to save the changes, and the room resource will be saved and added to the TMP site. Once the room has been created, the working hours of the room should be set using the TMP Resource Calendar. Please see the TMP Resource Calendar job aid for more information on setting a TMP Resource Calendar.